Hello guys, welcome back to my Drone Stories YouTube channel. Today we're exploring the Greater Accra Regional Office for the DVLA located at Haatso. So we want to see what's in there and then the surroundings and everything. So quick one. So we are coming from the Haatso road, so the premises would be on your left. So let's start from the entrance. This is how the place is. So yeah, I think they have these buildings marked with A, Block B, Block C. You would see what they do there. If anyone works at DVLA and then they know what happened there, please you can let us know in the comment section. As you can see, this is the Block A, and it looks like they are just doing some car checks. It's like some physical car checks, stuff going on there. Let me get close a little bit and let's see what's happening. Well, it's kind of some physical checks of your vehicle. Okay, I like the way the place is not kind of congested. The cars are parked well. Let's go to the Block B. I think here looks like some administration. Okay, I can see reception written there. So this would be like the main administration block. Let's try and do a 360 around it and see how the building looks like. It's a 2-story, really massive building. Is here the front or here is the back? Okay, well, I think the other side was the front entrance. And for all of you that didn't know that this office used to be at the 37th side there, which was really a pretty tight space. So they built this new premises for that. We will really go up and check the environment and see if it's like a government land or whatever. So yeah, that's the Block C. Let me go a little bit up and explore the right side or the left side of the premises. It looks like it's private properties in there. This land, does it belong to you? I'll go up and you see. Does it belong to the Atomic Energy Commission and they've started selling it out? I think 2-3 years ago, before this thing came here, this place was a bush. In fact, there was no fuel station there. This marketplace there wasn't there, but the DVLA has brought up a lot of businesses around. So, and this is Haatso. As you can see, that's I'm facing Haatso to the Atomic there. That's the University of Ghana Great Hall, and this road leads to the main Haatso Road, the transition funeral service place. And you can see the land. It looks like a government land. And this is the police workshop. And then they share a wall with the DVLA premises. Let me go up a little bit and then we see the entire space. I really like the way they've demarcated everything for the cars to park and all that. It's nice. As you can see, I'm like 100 meters in altitude, and let's see the surroundings. Yeah, I know that place is like a farm. They plant lettuce and all these veggies in there, and that is the I think the atomic commission building. This land is a government land. They shouldn't be selling it out. If it's used for government stuff, fine, but you can see these properties on the down right looks like private properties. You can literally guess that all this space here was not meant to be, all this building at this down were not meant to be there. And that's the Agbogba side. And yeah, so that's literally the aerial overview of the premises. Let's get down and explore some more places and call it a day. I like the way the place was designed, even though the story buildings could have been 3 or more, but well, they have land behind them that they can use it for anything in case of any expansion. Because ever since this thing moved to this Haatso area, the Haatso road has been experiencing serious traffic. You understand? So if they can, I'm sure they did their checks before building this to this size. If it accommodates their work, that's fine. And one thing, I don't know why Ghanaians don't like parking with their back, so that if you are coming to leave, you just drive away. It's really a good tactic or strategy in case of even emergency. You are not now coming to come reverse. Look at the black car coming reverse. You have to come reverse and orient yourself first before you leave. How come just park with your back so that you'll be facing? There's a term for it, I've forgotten. You see, they all just come and enter. It's nice to park reverse parking or whatever, so that when you're about to leave, you just, in case of emergency, giddy or whatever, you just drive off. Let's check what they really do at the block A. Let me get close. You can see, I think here they check motorbikes too and the cars. Oh, so it's 3 lines or lanes that people can be checking. I have a question. What is roadworthy? What is a roadworthy? Because sometimes you take some Trotsky and you have no idea how this car was certified to be taking passengers. Oh, this is nice. Let me go back a little bit and take some screenshots. I'll use them. I think I might use them for my thumbnail. Sometimes you see a vehicle and you wonder how it got a permit to take passengers. It's literally metals everywhere, and this thing passed the test. Anyway, and I think here this is where it's like a waiting place for the whoever coming to do whatever they are coming to do there. This brings us to the end of our DVLA exploration. But I would go and do a video at that farmland there. Yeah, so make sure you subscribe and follow us for weekly videos. Goodbye.